Hello my fellow YouTubers, I'm back for the second day running. How about that, eh? Right, today I'm going to make a double sausage and egg Mcmuffin. Everybody likes that. It's something that I made for the kids on at the weekend, and I've started a new trend now because they're quite tasty actually. All I'm going to use is one Lincolnshire sausage, an egg, some butter, a breakfast muffin, and a couple of slices of this plastic cheese. And in here I've got some salt and some pepper, because if you actually taste the meat on the sausage in McDonald's, it's really salty, but that's why everybody goes back. So let's get to it. Right, first of all, let's get rid of that. I'm just going to open up this sausage like this. This sausage is going to make 2 patties, so I'll just take the skin off like this, break it in half, and then if you just wet your hands, a little trick, it doesn't stick. So I'm just going to make it into a ball like this. I'm just going to squash it out. Doesn't have to be neat, perfect circle. It's all going down the same way. You want to get it as thin as possible. Like this. Same again. Wet my hands. And just right, that's the sausages done. So we'll leave them there for a minute. I'll just wash my hands. Right, what we're going to do now, I'm going to cook the egg. I don't like the white of the egg. I usually pick it off when I go to McDonald's, but what I do, I don't mind a bit of white, but what I do is I separate the egg white. So just open that up there a bit. Put that in there, like this. Just place that carefully on there like this. Alright. You can keep that, you can make some meringue with it. Right, let's get over cooking the egg. Just add a tiny bit of oil. Watch. Right, that egg's set, so I'm just going to remove it. Let's put it on the plate. I'm just going to pop this in the oven. Just keep it warm. And a little bit of butter. I'm just going to toast that for a minute. Toasting it makes all the difference. It's nice texture. Right, I'm just going to pop that to one side. And now, patties. You don't need any oil in it. Like I said, McDonald's, it's really salty. That's why people go back. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper on there. Burn them, then press. It's all done in real time, guys. That's the colour we need. Right. Right, let's assemble this bad boy. Muffin, cheese, patty, cheese, patty, my little mini egg, as you see, perfectly cooked. Just a dash of salt on the egg. And then the top. Oh, look at that. Wow. Right guys, give it a go. If you've liked what you've seen, give us a like and give us a share on the TikToks and the Facebooks. And don't forget to subscribe. Pressing that bell notification for more updates and videos. Let's give it a taste test. Okay. Right, let's go in. That is so good. And it's cheap. One sausage, 2 slices of cheese, an egg, that is really good. Right, that's me. I'm going to devour this because I'm hungry. Give it a go, guys. You won't be disappointed. See you next time.